Hey everyone, welcome to WithUI demonstration. We will go over an example of how you go from an idea of an app you have into a prototype of it within literally seconds if we know what we do. So let's say that the app that I want to make is an app where I say using voice what I ate today, and it will tell me how much calories I consumed. So the example here is I ate 2 apples. It will execute, and then we'll say how much calories this is. So let's start by creating a fresh page. Let's click the new UI, and right from the start, let's call this a calories app. Okay, so from what we have is 3 components. We have the text component that we want to use, which will display the amount of calories. Let's call this the calories. We also have the voice recorder, which the user will use to record themselves. We'll call this recorder. And an execute workflow, which is doing the actual logic. Okay, so we have those 3. Let's click edit workflow and see what happens. Once you reach this page, you can decide what you do with the user input and what you output. So for example, if I have a AI transcribe, which take any audio you give it and turns it into text, you can save and preview. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will convert it into text. So to do the app, we can just create an AI answer, which is basically ChatGPT behind the scenes. Let's connect the transcription into the prompt and the output into the answer, and tell it in the system message, tell the user how many calories they consumed. Save, and let's review. I ate 3 apples today. Let's give it some time to execute, and that's the calories. Now I don't know if it's really that amount of calories. It's still AI and it's hallucinating, but good luck. Now if you want to share this UI with your friends, you can go to My UIs after saving, of course, and click the view published. Then you can send this link to everyone and they could use it as they want.